Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can change your photo background. Alright guys, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use CapCut application to change my photo background. So make sure that you have this CapCut application installed on your phone. You can get it from Google Play Store or Apple Store. And after you have this application installed on your phone, you can open it. Then we're going to open the photo editor. Okay, and select a photo that you want to make it as your background. And for instance, I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to use this photo as my photo background. Then we can click on edit, and here we're going to import the photo that we want to change the background on, and click on the sticker option. Click on this icon and select a photo you want to change the background, and I'm gonna go with this one. Just click on the photo, then we can click on add. And here we're going to remove the background of this photo. We can click on auto select, okay, and click on this check mark. Okay, and now as you can see that the background of this photo has been changed, and I'm going to fit the screen like this. We can adjust the position as we want. Okay, and I think it's done. Then we can click on the check mark, and after we're done editing the photo background, we can click on export to save this photo to our device. Alright guys, and that's how we can change our photo background using CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.